guys, it's me Desi. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will give you some ideas about the different kinds of students in ESL teaching, their levels, and also I will give some tips on how to make them interested in attending your class. Especially to newbies in ESL teaching, because I am receiving some messages from some aspiring ESL teachers who would like to start their career in ESL teaching. And this is one of their questions, kung ano yung dapat i-expect sa mga students, and kung ano yung mga levels nila. So if you're one of them, just keep on watching. Teaching English to all levels. Ano nga ba yung levels? In ESL teaching, you will teach different kinds of students. Different levels, different personalities, also different nations, different cultures. Marami yan. It depends on the platform as well that you are working for or you are working at. For example, in Preplay and ZigTalk, if you're familiar with those platforms, I usually get students from the UAE. Dahil din sa time na ino-open ko since I am available only during the daytime. Because at night time, I'm working for Bunny English. So in platforms like Akadsoc or 51 Talk, you will get Chinese students. In other platforms, you can get Japanese or European students. Punta tayo sa levels. Sa levels, first, you will get beginners. These are young learners, and usually we teach them phonics, yung mga alphabets, ABCs, vowels, sounds, and also simple words. They love rewards and role plays. That is why props or aids like these, like I'm gonna show you later, really work for them. You know you are an ESL teacher if complete ang props and aids mo. Kasi usually ang students in ESL teaching are kids. These are the props that I'm using. The finger puppets. Like these. You can put these in your fingers. There's finger family. Marami sila. These really could get attention of your students. Here. And also, like reward system really works for beginner learners. Gustong-gusto nila to. I have these. So these have magnets. And you have the whiteboard as well. Here. So marami yan. And here, I also get so cute. May cupcakes, meron silang donuts, and ano pa ba? And also, you have cards like these months. And also here, and I'm well done, number 1, champion, great. Ay, gustong-gusto ng mga young learners yung ganito. Super. Nag-aaral silang mabuti and tinatry nila yung best nila para makakuha ng rewards. Also, here. Bunny English, and also your name. I got mine from Kings and Queens Mart, or King and Queens Mart. May Facebook page sila. They offer discounts and freebies. And I will put the link, their page link, in the description down below. Gusto nila, lalo ng mga girls, gustong-gusto nila ng Elsa, like that, super cute. Also, if you have kids, you can also use them for your kids or to your kids. Kasi super helpful niya. My daughter, she really likes this very much. there, and they can also customize. Okay guys, yan yung mga beginner learners. Intermediate students naman, in this level, you get to teach yung mga high school students. They can share their ideas and answer questions on familiar topics. Like for example, for boys, they are very much interested talking about games and also like online games, inventions, modern technology, etc. For girls naman, they can share something about fashion, dating, yun yung mga gusto nila na topics. Some fresh graduates you can also meet in this level, intermediate level. Job hunters, those who are practicing their conversational skill or conversation skill. These are students na marunong na mag-English, but they still need to develop their skills pa din. Some of them, they need to develop their self-confidence, medyo nahihiya pa sila. Yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa confident talaga magsalita. Kailangan nila ng motivation and encouragement. So dito sa level na to, ako nagkaroon ng friends. And yung tipong feeling nila, diary ka nila. Lahat gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo, excited sila na magsalita or magsabi sa'yo. Kasi usually yung iba sa kanila, hindi close sa family or sa parents. Nakakalimutan nila minsan na nagpa-practice sila ng English. Pero don't forget to correct their grammar and pronunciation still. Kasi di naman mawawala yun. Kahit gaano kagaling, kahit naman tayong mga ESL teachers, hindi naman tayo perfect. Natututo lang talaga tayo kasi araw-araw tayong nagtuturo ng English. So hindi pa sila ganun kagaling. Sometimes mag-construct ng sentence, yung mga tenses nila, yung forms, yung choice of words, hindi pa rin perfect. So I suggest we always review grammar and watch English shows as well. Sa advanced level naman tayo. Dito sa level na to, expect nyo ng mga businessmen na to, yung mga kausap nyo. Fresh graduates pa din, travelers, dito dudugo yung ilong nyo and yung utak nyo. Kasi sobrang galing na din nila mag-English talaga. Minsan nga mas magaling pa sila sa akin. So, their favorite topics are about traveling, interview, English, current events, news. Minsan lang sensitive yung topic, but it depends on the platform. Some of them don't allow like religious topics or yung mga sex, violence, current events, like especially if you are teaching students from China, and we know naman this is the pandemic season, and it's a very sensitive topic to open. They're usually learning about interview English, current events, IELTS practice, cultures. This is so fun to talk about. And they are very particular with grammar and accent as well. So as I've said, we always have to review our grammar lectures, tenses and forms. I also suggest we watch like a Netflix English shows, English, lahat English. Pati babasahin yung English na din. I know nagasgas na din yung tip na yon, pero talagang kailangan talaga mag-practice ng English through those ways. Like lahat English. Pero also, my tip as well, para gumaling sa English and para magkaroon ng confidence in speaking and also teaching English, you have to teach English. Because when I started way back 2011, I was not really good at English. And even up until now, meron pa rin akong parang sometimes nabablock yung isip ko or something like that. But then, since I always speak English, like I think 70% of the day I'm speaking English because I'm teaching, and then 30% I watch different kinds of English shows, Netflix, it could really help, and 30% non, kausap ko yung family members ko. Disclaimer lang guys, not all young learners are beginner students. I have a student currently in Bunny English or Mr.Chipans. Lagi niya pinapadugo yung utak ko kasi super, mas madami siyang alam sa akin yata. 7 years old lang siya, pero ang dami niyang alam. Genius ata siya. Or genius talaga siya. Kasi ang dami niyang alam, dami niyang sinishare sa akin. Natuto din ako sa kanya. And of course, I'm correcting his grammar. It's not perfect lagi. In my previous experience naman, I have students na 40 plus and above. Pero beginner pa lang yung level nila sa English. So, we don't have to always associate the age of the English learners sa level nila. Again guys, if you need books and topic suggestions about ESL teaching or about your students, madami ako sa drive ko. Just comment lang and then I will send it to you through email. And ano pa ba? So if you have other questions as well, you could just put your comment down below. So that's it for today. On my next video, I will share with you about someone who contacted me about starting an ESL company or group here in the Philippines. He'd like to give teaching opportunities or job opportunities for ESL teachers here in the Philippines with a higher rate. So, pinaplano pa lang lahat, pinapolish pa lahat, and then I will share with you guys if everything is fixed and if he would give me a go signal para mag-interview na ng teachers. So there, I will share with you guys about that pag ready na talaga siya. Sa ngayon kasi pinapolish pa talaga lahat. But then, of course, I'm going to share with you about that here pa rin sa vlog. Yun lang. And, okay, so thank you, and I hope you could consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to like and share this video as well. See you next time!